We are live, I think.
I see.
Okay. All right. So, what we are planning to do today is there are these tutorials and stuff like this. You see
Mm-hmm.
this tutorial like this, and then in data modeling as well, there are tutorials like this that we need to do. And those are only possible if we have this repository installed in our thing. So I'm just gonna add like a new window. I'm gonna put it in. Let me open terminal. New terminal. I think I'll go in desktop projects. LF. And I think I'll go in Git. No, I'll just I'll make a new directory called Pixar OpenUSD. CD into Pixar. OpenUSD. Or do Cloud. Yes. This repo in this folder. Once we have that repo installed,
Mm-hmm.
what we need to do is we need to go to this these tutorials actually, not even those. Introduction. There is like a list of tutorials that you can find. Yeah, I think these are the ones. So we need to do all of them because I think this is how. Oh yeah, over here. So these are the tutorials you see.
Hello world, creating your first user stage. Oh, okay. Nice.
So I think for today, I think our aim should be to complete all these tutorials. I think they're not too big,
Yeah.
and we can do this, and we can because I think there is a tutorial reference in each section. Like you see these two tutorials, traversing a stage and
Mm-hmm.
converting between layer formats. So over here, like these two are here. Then in data modeling, there are two tutorials. Then in debugging, there are two tutorials. So I think today we should only focus on tutorials.
Mm-hmm.
I think that will give us a lot of context.
Yes.
Um, okay, OpenUSD is cloned. All right. And then, so do you remember where we installed your USD View? I'm not able to remember that shit.
It should be in your Python packages. I would guess. Was it a Python package?
Yeah,
Okay, so it should be go to your USD root or the folder. Type ls. Type ls in the terminal. Should be in the space. Wait. Ls space dash a. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yes. So look for. Okay.
is it
Go
possible?
into
Okay,
learn OpenUSD. Go into learn OpenUSD. Do cd into learn OpenUSD. Yeah. Do LSA. Look for that UV requirements logs. Readme. But no, it's not over here. I don't know that. I don't know. It's not over here.
how are we running USD View, bro?
You just ask Cloud Code right over there in your CLI. Over there above in your ID on the top right.
This.
Yeah. Like I know how to. You can use USD view to do it. Like you can type USD view directly. No, it's
Let us see.
okay. Yeah, then definitely it's in a Python environment. But where is that? Is this thing auto picking it up? No, it's not auto picking it up.
1 second.
Dude, look at this guy's stream. You should play music like this.
Where?
Yeah, I'm just sending you.
Oh, Sarkar was in the chat, but
Hey,
he left.
Sajiem. And he's just vibe coding a music player on Fable 5. Billy.
Uh-huh. Oh my god, bro. What was that repository? Why did I forget? Fuck this.
Bro, just
Uh,
ask Cloud Code. It will definitely help us.
yeah. फीके बड़े किरदार हैं. How can I play music? What are you saying?
Uh, we can look for non-copyrighted music or something like that.
Bro, I know that. And the thing is, your secure stream does not capture audio yet.
Oh, is that issue registered in the GitHub issues?
Not yet.
Please register it over there. Read a ticket, and then my agents will look into it.
Okay.
Sure.
What the fuck is going on with Claude? Why is it not working? Mhm. Oh, so
What are you doing?
Installing USD View first.
Oh, it says that the main USD view this project build. This is the build. Okay, it's a Python launcher pen to blah blah blah. So it needs USD now before
Where do I run this? Where do I need to run this export?
copy it. Copy it. Yeah,
Yeah,
you run it
I
in your
copy.
terminal. Yeah, just go do it over there.
But what directory?
It's gonna be set on your environments. So no directory. It's gonna be directly set up to your
Okay.
main file. Enter. Yeah. Now try doing do echo. Wait. Do echo. Wait. Echo space
Hmm.
dollar USD root. We so to verify that if the
USD root.
yeah like underscore root. Yeah. Enter.
That's it.
Yeah. Yeah. It's
Yeah.
try now. Try now. Try USD view at your at any file or something.
Ah, yes.
Yeah.
No, it's working. Mm. So this is the bounding box, bro. Do you see this?
Mm.
White. That's the bounding box.
Mm.
Hmm. So USD View will work everywhere now because it's set on my.
So you have to always like this variables are only set for this session. You have to set them in your bash zsh rc file.
USD View. काला है माल और चिट्टे हैं कुर्ते नी में वेख लेने दोस्त नी में वेख लेने वैर मुंह पे बनते यार हैं फीके बड़े किरदार हैं टुकड़ों पे पलते हैं बैन हम भी उड़ते हैं Okay, so now I think I'll be able to run USD View from anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Gigi Divine. What? Oh, this is already split screen. My bad. Hmm.
Split freaking screen.
What extras? Extras. USD tutorial. Hello world dot py. Man.
What happened?
Okay, so this was the first tutorial. It's just asking us to take a look at this.
Mm-hmm.
Execute the Python script hello world.usd.
So what happens when we I think that USDA file is getting created, hello world.usda, with the prim hello and a sphere
Yeah.
world inside
Mm-hmm.
it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah, perfect.
Uh, where do we run this from again? What? Oh, bro, I need to activate that environment.
Okay. Cheapest immediate right. Straight on top, but the top already calls with just regardless. Top of the
How do I activate the environment over here?
source.
Yeah, I know source, but I don't have the path. So
So look for .bnb.
it was called LOUSD. Let me see over here.
LOUSD.
पीके बड़े किरदार हैं
Oh?
दिल पे रखते हैं
I think you have to use UV, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
UV activate maybe the command. What's happening?
Look at the screen, bro.
Yeah, but why is it taking so long?
It's done.
It's done. Nice.
Hmm. Yes.
Do you think that backslash would come in the front?
Okay, it's done.
It's done. Where's the file
Yeah.
generated? Oh, hello world.
Yeah, this one. Hello, world audio.
Oh,
Yeah.
yay! Tutorial 1 has been completed, bitch.
Visualize the stage. USD view. What? This one. Bounding box. Okay. You can refine display complexity, control. Oh,
Dude, we already knew about this, I guess.
control plus
Yeah, bro.
display complexity.
Yeah, that's how we zoom in, zoom out. You remember?
Bro, it's not zooming in and zooming out. It's refining the view. It's not.
Okay, yeah, try doing that because I think we did try it. I think it's gonna be not control. It's gonna be command. I guess not control for us. It's gonna be command for us. Try.
What is it? Control minus.
Do command.
Command, yes.
Told you, bro. Told you.
You can also bring up an embedded Python interpreter that we already know. Pressing I or using window interpreter, select the sphere by clicking it in the viewport by clicking name in the world. Then try the following command. USD view API dot prim. Yes, USD prim hello slash world. Okay. Get type name. USD view API dot prim dot get type name. Sphere. चुप की थे सारे कॉफ आ रहे हैं मैं मूसवाड़ा पूरा एरिया चेक ऑफ काम कड्डू वेखे हैं मैं फूकनी बिल्डिंग के थे पचा पटना नहीं होगा मैं करे पैसे ऑफ about 1 sphere radius यार who change बस time अब बदले viewing and editing USD files content so get attribute radius and dot get okay. The exported file is human readable via USD CAD and text editable via USD edit. Both available in USD install root / bin. The default installation USD edit program will bring up any USD file as plain text in your editor, regardless of its underlying format, and save it back out as the original format when editing is complete. See USD edit format details. The particular example can be edited in a text editor directly since we created a text-based USD file with the USD extension. If we had created a binary USD file with the .usdc extension instead, both USD cat and USD edit would work just the same on it. Oh, we got some viewers today. 3 viewers. Hello.
Nice.
बस टाइम बदले. Oh, by the way, I think you should get this Chasing Sunset
What is this?
perfume.
Oh, perfume. Chasing.
Bro, I smelled this today.
Mm-hmm.
Like there was a guy in my locker room in the gym.
Mm-hmm.
He showed me the bottle and I was like, oh my god, bro, I need to get this.
So did you order it?
I'm gonna get it from Sephora.
Oh, Sephora.
Yeah, there are always offers on Sephora, so.
Oh, I see, I see, I see. Yeah, I will look it on
Mason Margiela.
Amazon.
Sorry. Hmm.
Replica chasing sunsets. You the toilet. You the toilet. What?
Toilet.
What does
You the toilet.
toilet? What does that mean?
Toilet is like a little, you know, it's less concentrate. And
Oh,
EDP is like their perform. EDP is
oh.
like more, it lasts long.
Dude, like even if I'm searching, it's coming on the top. Like, oh yeah, dude, on Amazon it's like 89 bucks.
Yeah, for like, that is for 30 ml, I guess.
And how much is it? Is this?
This is 100 ml.
Oh, I think that one would
170.
suffice for me. Oh no, there's another one. Oh, I'm gonna get. Yeah, I see. There is a multi four piece fragrance pack as well. Hmm.
Like it smelled really good.
I see. Hmm.
I don't know if this is like something that guys like, or is it just like, is it that just guys like this, or I
That's
don't
why
know
I
if
will only get
those
a
like,
30 ml one, a small one that would suffice for not a big
yeah,
ass one.
yeah.
Oh, I would not invest in this because
I can invest in the stock market the same
yes,
amount, you know.
because there is no return in this. I already have all the returns acquired. And
There is no point for me to do this.
so fuck you, motherfuckers.
All right. So the first tutorial is complete. Almost. Almost. Dr. Almo.
Almost.
Damn. I think we need to give a shout out to Dr. Almo, a very crucial part of our career.
Uh,
Dr. Sibyl Almo? No.
Dr. Almo is not famous, I guess.
What
Chiropractor.
was his full name? Almo? Zavla
Zavala.
Romero, I think.
Zavala.
I
Romero.
remember.
Yeah. Uh,
He got a haircut? Damn.
I think this is his old photo, maybe.
This guy, guys. Go show him some love, bro.
What the
This
fuck?
guy is like the guy.
OG.
Legend. A legend. OzZ09 @fsu.edu. Hit him
Don't
up.
spam. Don't spam.
Spam him, bro. Spam him. He
Don't
loves it.
spam, bitches.
Look at his fucking things, bro. Applied machine learning in medical imaging, prostate and breast cancer detection.
Naughtiness is full power.
Like, he's like a freaky boy.
Freaky boy.
Prostates and breast cancer detection.
That's not true. Research.
Not not brain tumor, nothing. Only in
That's what I think
prostates.
the brain tumor was not discovered. Only breast cancer and prostate cancer. Track,
But no, he's like our goat. He's the guy who gave us our first breakthrough, or like a first break, I guess. For me at least. So he gave us free resources and everything. So I'm thankful to him for everything. Oh, I know this guy. I used to work with him, Eric Chassinet,
Oh,
in Co-apps.
nice.
Oh, then I think there should be that other guy as well. My boss, Sean, Sean Smith. Paki wangu masatang jadi oddi. Nainu warani. Paki wangu masatang jadi oddi.
Alright, well, yeah, let's focus on.
Yeah. Tani paki wangu masatang jadi oddi. It's a fight to the
You
death.
say you're gonna go early today, right? Uh, have you?
I mean, we can see, we can wing it. I don't know if I feel tired. I'm not feeling tired right now, so.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And I don't even have any meetings tomorrow. I think
Oh, nice.
I might have my one-on-one with my manager because again he took a sick day
So
for some
yeah.
reason.
So he took a sick day. So then you have a one-on-one meeting.
Yeah, I might like I was supposed to have that one-on-one meeting today with him,
Uh-huh.
but he was not in. So
He was
my
sick.
meetings are tomorrow from 12:30.
Oh.
Tomorrow I have, oh my god, from 12:30 I have a lot of meetings. So I'll probably sleep around 3 or 2 or 3 today. So
Mm-hmm.
let's get it. Tomorrow. Hmm. All right. So we have done this. We have done this. So USD stage is the outermost container for scene description, which owns the present compose prim and scene graph. USD prim is the sole persistent scene graph object on a USD stage. All right. Hello world redux using generic prims. In this tutorial, we revisit the hello world example, but this example passes the hard-coded type names xform and sphere, which corresponds to the type name appearing after the def specifiers in the USD scene description representation, the USD geom, which corresponds to the type names appearing after this def specifier in the USD scene description representation, the USD geom API used in the previous tutorial is part of USD's built-in geometry schema. These prim types and associated C++ and Python API, USD geom API used in the previous tutorial, okay, is part of USD's built-in geometry schema. These prim types and associated C++ and Python APIs have first-class support in USD and provide domain-specific interfaces to create, manipulate, introspect, and author properties upon them. Got it. Note that USD geom xform define returns and a schema object on which the full schema-specific API is available. Return the schema object on which a full schema specific API is available as opposed to USD stage defined prim, which returns a generic USD prim. Ah, okay. Yeah, we already know this, right? This is like basic.
Yeah.
Like if we use geom xform to define it, it will define like a prim which has a schema object of USD geom xform.
Mm-hmm.
And then it'll have full schema specific API. And then as opposed to a simple USD stage defined prim, which will return a generic USD prim. In USD, all schema classes have get prim member function that returns its underlying USD prim. Think of a USD prim as the object's generic persistent presence in the scene graph and the schema object as the first class way to access its domain specific data and functionality. The code above produces, so the code is from Pixar import USD, stage is equal to USD dot stage, create new. So this is gonna create a new stage. Then this is gonna create a X form called hello. This is gonna create a sphere called at hello world uh, called sphere, and then stage dot get root layer dot save. The code above us produces the identical scene description to the previous tutorial, which you can see using USD cat. Okay, this we know. Got it. Next tutorial, we'll look at USD geom API in action on prim properties. Let's look at the next tutorial. Okay. Inspecting and authoring properties. In this tutorial, we look at the properties containing geometric data on the prims we created in the Hello World tutorial. The starting layer of this exercise is okay. So this is the starting layer that we already have open in our USDA Pixar. This tutorial is available on author properties, extras to author properties. Authoring
Total
properties
property name
tutorial.
and
Authoring properties. Yeah. So this is the Python script. Okay. So what's next? Open the stage and get the prims defined on the stage. So we already did this. List the available property names. Uh, xform dot get property names. Oh, we need to remember these. Okay. We don't have any USD xform, but which one is it saying? Is it asking us to run the script first? Is that what we need to do?
yeah, we have to first run the script, right? And then it will generate that USDA file, I guess. Or update the USDA file. Run the script, activate the environment.
I need to add like some sort of quick.
Yeah, you can ask Cloud Code to generate a helper command called whatever, like in the LOUSD, and it's gonna auto activate it. Ask it to create a helper command, I would say.
Okay, USD Pi. Huh? Not working. Oh, source. Yes, sir. We are back. $1 billion bond and is due back in. Bro, focus on this shit. Don't fucking fuck around.
Bro, I trust on you. I was just waiting for you to activate that environment. Okay, the file is generated. The file has
But
been
I did
opened.
not want this.
Dude, look at the file now. Go look at the hello.usd file. It has been, or just run the USD view on that hello.usd file. There we go.
Oh, okay, okay, yes.
Yes, brother. Run it. Run
But
USD
one
view.
second, def xform, why is it showing it twice?
I don't know. Maybe the color 3F was added later. Color 3F was added later in the code, and that's why.
Maybe.
Run USD view on it. Yeah. We will see how it goes. Bam! Blue color. Holy shit.
But why did it disappear?
I think because you went on to the world prem. Go click on hello. Oh, it disappeared. Oh, yeah. Oh, the color is applied onto the root prem. That's why.
How can it be applied to root prim? There is no root prim, bro.
Oh.
It is applied to
Click
the
on
color
world
is
again.
applied to the
Click on world.
sphere.
Click on root prim is the one that we don't see. There is always a root prim. World.
If
Oh.
I click on world, oh, okay. So I think hello is highlighting this thing.
Oh.
So if we click out, it's gonna show the color.
I see. Oh, I see. I see. I see.
Okay, and then let's click on world and let's click I, and the interpreter will show up, and then we can run these commands. Xform get property names.
Okay. Let's see what property does that transform have. Run it. Done.
What?
What is the error?
Xform is not defined.
Hmm.
Xform dot get property name. Is it because it is capital?
Go back. Go back. No, no,
No.
no. Wait.
Open the stage and get prims defined on the stage. Hmm. Oh, I
Oh.
think I know what happened.
What? Maybe you have to run the first four commands over there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hello world USDA. This is what it did, right? Hello slash world and then What? There is X form. Why the fuck is it not picking it up? Get property names. What's going on?
Are you sure that you have to run those commands
I am
and
not sure, bro. I've tried both. I am not sure.
okay, so I would say we have to run the commands directly in our Python file. I'm gonna assume.
How do you run, bro? This is not a IPYNB.
No, no. So like, uh, go back, go back to VS Code,
Mm-hmm.
VS Code. Go to hello world.py,
Mm-hmm.
right, and then go back onto the tutorial. Copy xform dot get property names. No, no, like the second
Just
one. The second, yeah, copy this. Yeah,
yeah.
go back, and paste it over here. Yeah, let's run this and see what happens. Because I think it will. It's gonna definitely print it over here.
It's not gonna print it, bro. We need to first define it and in a variable like something, and then we have to print that.
Okay. Print a. Yeah, that makes sense. But we can just ask AI as well, like that. Dude, why? Oh, Sunya Bunetra. Initial commit.
What?
Dude, you can take a. Are you able to see the those
Yeah, 9 years ago.
yeah, 9 years ago?
Initial commit.
Mm.
It's been 9 years since they started developing OpenUSD.
Yes, brother.
So not too long ago actually.
Pixar.
20 2017, 2017. Just when like that paper came, attention is all you need. It came in 2017 or 2018, I guess.
Yeah.
And the funding came along with it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, oh shit, bro. I hit chest today. A little insane. A little too insane. Ah, fuck me. Yeah, you were saying to run this file now.
Mm-hmm. Save it. First, save the file.
No, XFORM is not defined.
Mm.
No, bro, I don't think this is how we
Wait,
need to do this.
form is not defined. Okay, yeah, let's go back. Let's go back and take a look into the documentation again. Maybe we might be missing something. Oh yeah, we are missing something. Uh, Here the X form is defined at get premet path. Oh, okay, I
Bro,
get it.
this
I get it.
needs to be like a
Copy this.
different
Copy this.
file.
Yeah, copy this. Go back and create a new file. Oh no, don't create a new file. Go to the
Quick, bro, quick, quick.
USD view, USD view. Go to USD view. Open USD view
What,
and
US,
open inspector, and then we'll see what happens over there. Yeah.
what USD view what?
Hello world.usda. Yeah. Now open that
In
inspector.
interpreter.
Yeah, yeah. Now paste it over here.
Bro, that is a Python script. How can you run that over here?
Yeah, yeah, paste. No, no, don't. Yeah, do it. It's just paste it. Just paste it. It should work. Just paste one line at a time.
It's an interpreter. How can you
It
run
will
this
work,
over
bro. It will
there?
work. Okay, paste one line at a time. Paste one line at a time and press enter. Let's see. Enter. Yeah, now paste other lines.
This is on a file, bro.
Yeah, yeah. Carry on. Yeah. Now, yeah, spear as well. Yeah, and then the X form one. Bam.
Oh, damn.
To look at if you look at the heading, it says Python 3.11 over there. Oh yeah. So it's not an interpreter, it's a Python compiler right over here. And we just
Uh,
wrote the whole code one by one. And once the
mm,
variable was set, we were able to print the property right out using the xform dot
mm,
get property names over there.
I see. Ah, got it. Share or get property names. Mm. Read the extend attribute on sphere prim. Oh, this is the extend attribute. Extend attribute dot get. Yeah, this is the value, the array,
Yeah.
min and max. What? This is bugged out.
What is bugged out?
No, nothing. Okay, this returns 2 by 3 array containing endpoint of the sphere's axis aligned object. Okay. So what is the point of opening this USD view like this stage then?
This is a
What?
debugger. This is a debugger that
And this is a compiler.
no, yeah, that's a compiler and a debugger as well. Like, okay, now you have the. That's why you need to know a bit about OpenUSD code so that you can open the stage and then all those debugging commands. So if you
Mm-hmm.
recall, get property name and get property stacks are not used for performance. They are only used for debugging and looking into property stacks and what all the properties are listed into a prem.
Mm-hmm.
That is the main goal, and that's why they are used over here, like in the debugger interpreter, like in the USD view.
Mm-hmm.
Helps us to take a look at what a prim consists of and what are all the properties that a prim will have
Mm-hmm.
in, or when it is composed.
Mm-hmm. Llorada, llorada, teoría. Ah, fuck, my back is still sore. I
Mm-hmm.
think I've done a lot of pull-ups. Hmm. I get it now. An attribute has a fallback value of an okay. A call to USD attribute dot get with no arguments returns the attribute's value or default time. Attributes can also have time sampled values. Yes. What does this mean? No, sorry, not that. As expected fallback value. Attribute has fallback value when no opinion about its value are authored in the scene description. An attribute has a fallback value with no opinion or its value are authored in the scene description. This fallback value for extent sensible is given that feedback value for sphere radius is 1.0. Mm-hmm. A call to usd.attribute.get with no argument returns the attribute's value at the default time. Oh, this is important, bro. This was a question. This was a fucking question
Yeah,
in the
no
quiz.
argument returns the attribute value at default time.
I want to look into this a little more depth because this was a question over there. I'm gonna write this down, bro, because this was a fucking question that I got confused on. USD attribute dot get. Okay. Basically shorthand for attr dot get. Hmm.
Oh,
Dot default. Give me the
all right. Where we at?
important distinctions for this.
Uh-huh. Yo,
Yeah,
what are you doing?
I'm just looking at this part.
Hmm.
No, it's fine. I'm done. Okay. So attributes can also have time sampled values. For example, we can create animated deforming object by providing the time sample values for a USD point attribute. See and for mockup of this pipeline in action. Okay, let's try this. Let me change the fucking music. Hmm. End-to-end scripts. Create asset.py. On me, there is no legacy. See. I don't know what they hate on me. Oh, there needs to be an asset specified. Oh, so we can define what asset we need to make like this.
Oh,
Wait, let me read this. Okay. Overview of files, asset. This folder contains some files that are used in the tutorial. It also contains some of the geometry in case you want. Okay. Scripts. Some generic scripts we use in the tutorial. We have tried to document them. Feel free to poke around or run them with Edge tutorial scripts. Scripts specifically geared towards this tutorial. They may have hard-coded paths that are intended to be run from the tutorial route. We also documented, but they are intended, blah, 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 how to generate USD files from Maya, how to introspect, create assets. We'll first run a script that bootstraps an asset for us. The following will create an empty asset named ball inside the directory model balls. Shading variant layer O model. Okay, so it created ball shading variant .usd. So what do we need to ls into USD cat? करते हैं इसका जाना एमी मूसेवाड़ा पूरा एरिया चेक ऑफ काली कट्टू बैठे एमी फूकनी बिल्डिंग के चुपचाप बैठा नहीं हुआ मैं करे पैसे ऑफ आमी में खोलनी. There is no geometry, but if USD opens without errors, we're okay. Ball.usd है. ये जब बस टाइम बदले हाँ कटे कहनी वह बदले पानी नहीं कटे कहनी वह बदले. Ooh, there is nothing, nothingness. Damn, it didn't work.
what? That part?
We'll be adding geometry in the next section. We're going to also need a table for this example. So go ahead and run. So we can create assets using the predefined Python scripts by defining them as flags. You see what I did over here? in models ball. I'm
Yeah.
gonna do it again.
Shit, make it clear.
So now we created ball, and then now I'm gonna create table
Mm-hmm.
under model/table.
Mm-hmm.
So it's gonna create a table.usd, I guess. Yes,
Nice.
similarly. It has some predefined geometry and it's gonna replicate that and reference some
Mm-hmm.
Maya plugin. What the fuck?
Oh, it's for Windows. We are on Mac OS. Oh, it's dude. If you're using Maya, I guess into Autodesk Maya USD repository remains here for historical reference, dude. This is for historical reference. It's nothing that you have to do it. It's mostly for historical reference.
Uh-huh. Yeah, this is Maya, bro.
Mm.
But how do I view it in my fucking thing? We are keeping the networks model/ball/USD. What? End-to-end example. I think this was for after we have Maya installed. We don't have it.
Mhm.
Yeah, this is all Maya, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, we can skip
Fuck,
that
they
part for now.
tell us fucking shit. Get property names demonstrates that we can fetch properties by name. In practice, to iterate over Prim's properties, it is generally more convenient to use one of the get properties, get attributes, or get relationship. These returns USD property attribute and relationship objects that one can operate on directly. Set spheres radius to 2. Okay. So if I open that USD view again, we'll have to run all those lines again to come to that point, right?
Like in your debugger, you're talking about.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Definitely, you would have to.
Oh, bro. I'm not gonna run all of those again.
You can just copy it and try all of them running at once. Maybe it should work, I guess.
Oh, maybe it might work.
Yeah.
Yep, it works.
Hmm.
So it has set the sphere dot get attribute radius to radius attribute, and then it's gonna set it to 2. Ah, increased. Extended review. Bro, are you gonna watch that movie?
Which movie?
Odyssey. That's coming out.
Odyssey. Wait, Odyssey is coming out right now? Like I thought it's already out.
No, bro, it's gonna come out on 17 July.
Oh,
10 days.
okay. Yeah,
Spider-Man is
if I
also
get
coming this
time.
month.
If I get time.
It is, it's very intellectual.
Yeah, I know. Uh, I'm not into like old shit movies, but I will see. I might maybe just watch it when it comes on Netflix or maybe on Paramount if it comes over there.
I see. This is the movie. The Odyssey. Action fantasy. The casting is very shit, bro.
That's why, bro.
People are shitting on the casting too much. So my plan is, and it's 17 July. Are there any matches? France versus Morocco is tomorrow. What the hell? And the time passed too fast. Bro, it's 8th July today. Damn. Time is flying.
Crazy. Oh, it's dude. It's post 12. It was
Yeah,
7th. So that's why
that's
it's 8th.
true.
Dun, 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 dun.
Quarterfinals are starting, bro.
Hmm. So Argentina is already in the finals.
It's gonna be in the finals, bro. And they're gonna win this Switzerland match easily. Like, look at the fucking teams it has to play. Egypt, Switzerland, fucking Cape Verde. Like teams that have never gotten to like a quarterfinal or semifinal in their entire life. And Argentina has those teams to play against.
Hmm.
Bro, they should lose 5-0 to or 5 to 6-0 to like a fucking team now.
Hmm.
Maybe now, like I think this match would be tough for them. Semifinal. They're gonna be in the semifinals for sure. I don't know if Switzerland can do something. I'm not sure though. It's rigged, bro. It's rigged. Argentina is gonna win again.
Hmm.
Fuck that shit. All right, so we have done that. Why did we get an error over here though? This was true, and then extend attribute dot set extend attribute dot get star two. Why is this getting an error?
Trying to take a look. Where are we getting that error?
This part.
Extend attribute dot set. Wait, so can you go up a bit? Go up. Like I want to take a look at the other. Oh, so have you defined extend attribute sphere dot get attribute extend?
Oh, I think I missed this part. Yes. Yes, now it should work. Yep, true. Like get to call a set with value argument and no argument authors. It don't matter now. Straight out get root layer. This is how the root layer looks. It don't matter now. You're the one. I'm gonna get some water, bro.
Alright.
Oh, by the way, my new books are here.
What did you got?
Look at this
Psycho cybernetics. Wow.
and this one.
Think, grow rich, crazy.
Think and grow rich, bro.
Oh, think and grow rich. I see.
Short books.
What's the weather tomorrow? Is it gonna be hot, hot? I think yeah, the summer is starting to cool down in July, I guess. Oh
Thank
yeah,
God.
bro. This week is super fucking hot. My bad. This week is super fucking hot. What the fuck? I spoke too early. 94 degree, 92-degree, 95-degree, 94-degree. Fuck me. I spoke too early, bitch. Holy shit, man. But there is a 40% chance of rain. So yeah,
Hmm.
I think 40. But yeah, because it did rain. Today's sunset was awesome. Like it was
Purple.
orangish Florida sunsets. Orangish.
Nice. That's what I'm saying, bro. Chasing sunsets. Mason Margiela.
Oh my god. Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh really? Oh what the fuck? Huh.
Bro, I think there's a heavy competition coming in for NVIDIA now.
Wow. Cerberus.
Edged.
Hmm.
There's this company called Edged.
Hmm.
Oh, yes, sir. Weather tomorrow is very good in NYC. So
Hmm.
I'm not worried about it at all. I'm gonna wake up. I'm gonna take a bath. I'm gonna go grocery shopping. I'm gonna do my laundry. And I'm gonna spend the day doing
OpenUSD.
OpenUSD, and then I'm gonna go work out. All right, bro. Let's. So I think we did 3 tutorials today, almost.
Hmm.
Okay, so this is left a little bit. Okay, 1 second.
Okay.
Author display color. Okay, so we can do this. Oh, we can color the balls from here. Okay.
Balls are getting colors. Colored balls.
Blue balls.
Blue balls.
And then print get root. In the back of my mind all the time. Ah, save your edit. Stage dot get root layer dot save.
Huh.
So that is gonna be saved to the root layer. But is it gonna change the Python file as well?
Yeah, definitely. No, 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 no. It won't change the Python file. It's only gonna change the .usd file. Python file is more like
Hmm.
a script generation thing.
So let me take a look at USD property. In the back of my mind all the time. Okay. Hmm. Got it. So USD property provides access to authoring and interrogating properties and their common metadata. USD attribute defines USD property with specific APIs for time-sampled access to typed attribute data. USD relationship defines USD property with API to target other prims and properties and resolve those
Those
targets
target
robustly and through chains of relationships.
relationships.
Properties are ordered in dictionary order. Properties are ordered in dictionary order by default, but one can explicitly order properties using USD prim set property order. What is this? Properties are ordered in set property order. Okay. Hmm. I see. Oh, there's a person in chat.
Mm-hmm. What is saying?
ये क्या बना रहे हो भाई?
What are we doing, bro? Explain.
What are you making, brother?
Balls.
Who's this?
Here.
Clutch? Yeah, we are making blue balls actually.
Blue balls.
This ball. And we
This
already made it.
ball
High quality.
we are trying to make.
Why do people start putting in the like start interacting around one every day? I'm noticing this pattern every day.
I think
Like around
you might be on something,
12:50.
bro. You might be onto
What?
something. Keep looking into it. You might be onto something. You know,
Yeah.
maybe a hunch.
I'm gonna compete kitty beat not repeat. Wow. Which supera the tola benula bananira. Alright, referencing layers.
The tutorial walks you through referencing the stage that we created in the previous tutorial into a stage, the hello world.usd that we will use as our starting point or our
Starting
code
point.
for the exercise in extra USD tutorial referencing layers folder. Author the default prim metadata layer on the layer that you want to reference. This is the name of the root prim that will be referenced. If it is not authored here, then the referencing client must specify the root prim path it wants from the reference layer. We also want to author a transformation on the default root prim so that we can override it later. To do this, we use the uniform USD geom XFAM common API schema that we will discuss later. Copy extras, okay, USD tutorial referencing layer and hello world.usd to a folder of your choice. In that folder, create and run a new Python script with the following code. From Pixar, import USD geom. Okay, okay.
Bye, okay.
What happened?
Bro, do you watch the Trent twins?
Oh yeah, yeah, I do watch them.
They dropped a new video. They're saying this fucking government does not represent America. If you, I wanna like we wanna start a rebellion. But before we start a rebellion, can you give us a tally in the comments who is gonna join?
Oh,
Because we don't wanna be the only two motherfuckers outside of fucking.
oh.
These guys are insane, bro.
13 minutes of testing our
In
rep max.
yeah, insanity. That's the video. 30 minutes of insanity.
Oh,
And do you know Neon, that streamer?
oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Bro, I hate him. I hate that guy. And
What?
these guys are saying the same thing about him.
What? Why do you hate him?
Bro, he's like a fucking cornball, bro. He's like so cringy. He's like so corny.
Mm-hmm.
And I feel like he just got successful because kids watch him, bro.
Life is
Like his
unfair.
main audience is like kids, and he like the shit that he speaks is so fucking. I cannot, bro. Every time I see a clip on YouTube Shorts of him, I make sure that I click on,
Not.
do not show this to me again, and disgusting. When it's asked me why, I say disgusting.
I see. You know,
Fuck Neon.
everyone
Fuck
has
that
their
motherfucker.
taste and their choices, and we should respect them. Mm. What the fuck are they doing, dude? In 30 minutes of insanity, they're pumping hard, they're doing deadlift, and then smoking right out outside their gym. What the fuck?
Bro,
Hey,
these
bro.
guys are insane.
Yeah,
They opened up a new
yeah, we
gym.
have deadlift, yeah, bro, health and all that shit. And then later, like if you're around, like I think 8:44, yeah, they are smoking a fucking cigarette right over there, like and some
Bro, they don't give a fuck.
menthol, I guess.
Oh, this is a July 4th video. Oh, gun prep.
Yeah, bro. Bro, Sam's look gaming, dude. His rig is awesome. Damn, bro. He got a gym and he got his park garage. Bro, this is a badass gym computer setup. Holy shit, bro. Look for Sam Suluk's latest video. Streaming PC update. Look at the fucking background. There is a Beamer. Oh no, there's a Mustang, and then the whole gym setup.
Amsolek.
Yeah, bro. Sam Suluk streaming PC update. Holy shit, dude. This is a badass gym. Like we should have a gym like this. Streaming.
Streaming PC?
Yeah, streaming PC update. Sam Suluk. You found it?
Oh, yeah. Back. Yeah, this is my dream, bro. To have like a warehouse, big warehouse, have like a boxing ring,
Hmm.
have like a mini gym, and then my setup for work like
Hmm.
this.
Oh shit. Alright, bro, back to referencing layers. Author the default prim metadata. Oh yeah, dude, let's start copying the code and run the fucking script.
Mm-hmm.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Mahinder.
Wait.
Saale Mahinder.
You know,
Are
Apple
there any
only gives you
Dhoni?
these like braided cords if you buy a
Yeah,
separate fucking Apple product. Cause I bought this like the trackpad, right? And then I only they gave me this braided cable.
of course, bro. They don't wanna give you something that will last you long.
Oh yeah, yeah. Anyways, I'm not gonna use it, so fuck it. The cable. I got a
Yeah.
lot of cables already.
I've been using my PS5 cable, Type C cable to charge my phone for
Oh
like
yeah. Oh, I just
for
got a dude.
almost yeah.
Oh, you do not have an Apple Watch, but you do have AirPods Pro. Yeah, I
What?
just got me a wireless MagSafe charging stand. So I just
Hmm.
drop my phone on it and it starts charging my phone up.
Bro, why do you waste your money on this stupid stuff?
Dude, this is
Why?
aesthetics. Dude, it was like $10.
Aesthetics for what?
Yes, brother. Wireless charging, $10, cheap.
I see. But you could have invested those $10 and made more
No,
money
brother.
from.
No, brother.
Alright, let's do the tutorials later now. Let's take a look at some stuff that we can read.
Okay.
I don't want to do tutorials. We can continue tutorials tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow we can do like a longer stream.
Yeah. Sure.
Basic data type. So we have started data modeling because we are done with data exchange completely.
Mm-hmm.
Now we are doing data modeling. And these are the two tutorials we will do tomorrow
Mm-hmm.
because they are over here. Transformation time sampled this part, I think. Transformation animations and layer offsets
Mm-hmm.
and generating new schema classes. So both of these tutorials come under data modeling and we'll cover them tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
User guides, render user, working with primers. Let's take a look at what this is. Oh, I think we've done this as well.
Mm-hmm.
What? Is this the full file or rendering with USD, rendering user guide, working with primers? Oh, this is working with primer. A primer is a special type of attribute that renders. The render associates with an imageable prim and can vary interpolate the value of attribute over the surface slash volume of the prim. Primars allow for binding data to gprims made available to USD material shader pipeline during rendering, associating data with prim vertices or faces and interpolating that data across the prim surface using variety of interpolation modes. Bro, let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
If you were to give that quiz, OpenUSD quiz tomorrow or right now, do
Mm-hmm.
you think you will pass?
No.
No,
No.
I think I will pass.
Okay. Give it. Schedule
But
it.
I can't. I can't till 12th.
Yes, bro. Whatever.
No, but I'm gonna give it on 17th
Okay.
with full preparation.
Mm-hmm.
Let's schedule it though, bro. Like we have
Yeah,
not scheduled it yet.
we will schedule since we are gonna do our longest stream tomorrow, so we'll schedule it tomorrow as well. Because
Right.
I think I want to give that quiz. Like we can also give the quiz that we are doing. yesterday, tomorrow as well, and then we
Yeah.
can. Because I first want to give a quiz, and then I will try to book the thing.
Okay.
Yeah, so that quiz, like that was a really good quiz.
Mm-hmm. I see. Okay, binding the data to GPRIM made available to USD material shared a pipeline during rendering, associating data with prim vertices or faces and interpolating that data across the prim surface using variety of interpolation modes. Inheriting constant interpolation prim wells down the namespace to allow sparse authoring of shareable data that is compatible with native scene graph instancing. Unlike regular USD attributes, constant interpolation primal implicitly also applies any child prims, unless those child prims have their own opinions about those primvars. A commonly used primvar when rendering is the ST primvar that specifies texture. Oh, primvar ST. This. A commonly used primvar when rendering the ST. When rendering is the ST primvar that specifies texture
Oh,
coordinates, sometimes referred to as UVs.
UVs. ST
The
is
following simple
texture
example
coordinates.
specifies four texture coordinates for a quad mesh using the primvars ST primvar. Hmm. Hmm. Commonly used primvar ST specifies the texture coordinates, sometimes referred to as UVs. The following simple example specifies four texture coordinates for a mesh, for a quad mesh using the primvar ST primvar.
Commonly used primer rendering primer supports several interpolation mode based on interpolation modes of the primary primitive variable from the render man. Constant uniform varying vertex phase varying. Okay, this is all we know thoroughly. And then all the space varying allows per vertex per phase value. You can use this interpolation to create discontinuous vertex UV normals. For example, discontinuous vertex. Okay, awareness for curves such as basic curves interprets the interpolation value differently and is described in detail. Okay. Oh yeah, I think for curves we will use the algorithm subdivision schema and Catmull Clark
Hmm.
index primvares support index data so data can be referred to index rather than repeating the full values. Primval normal 0 1 0. Okay, phase rank. Oh, normals indices. Oh, 0 0. Wait. If multiple vertices on on a surface all use same normal, you can specify index of the oh 0. But okay, so where normals with multiple vertices. Okay, if you have 12 vertices, then you can basically define indices directly. Makes sense. Makes sense. Consuming primvacs in material, USG material, and shader bounds to G-prim will evaluate G-prim as needed at render time. Your G-prim must apply the material binding API schema and the material via binding relationship. Def mesh prepend API schema material binding API. Go down. API, def mesh, prepend API schema, material binding API. So creating relationship with material binding and then the material through primware. Nice. So then in your shaders you can reference gprim as needed using shader input connected to primware reader shader. The following sample USD preview material apply the texture you using UV coordinates of the gprim bound to material. I used a prim where reader float to shader that has a value input to access the history framework has been bounded to and result output for the UV result. USD UV texture shader that has a state input connected to here's a prim where reader float to shader file or input to access the image file. And a USD preview shader that has the diffuse color input connected to the USD UV texture shader and surface outputs. I see. Dude, look at this. This was one of the question, like the shader graph nodes and everything. Like, what would be the input that USD preview material will use for different kind of inputs that you're gonna define, like diffuse color, and then the UV texture variables ST, and then the previous
Mm.
surface shader that uses diffuse color. Like if you scroll down, you can see over here a USD primware reader underscore float to shader that has a var name input to access the st prim var from the G prim material that has been bound to and the result output for the UV result. So like when you use USD preview surface material API over there, then it's going to use these kind of connecting nodes, that is USD prim variable reader, then the st namespace for USD UV texture, and then the preview surface shader for diffuse color. That is
Mm-hmm.
what it will be using, and this is how we will know that what to map in and what to map out when we are working with shaders.
Mm-hmm.
Right? You remember, like we did went through the whole thing regarding how shader is connected
Yeah.
with the
Node
nodes and
nodes.
then the material and the
Shader network.
yeah. So this is how it maps it out.
Mm. Material binding API you prepend. Then you USD Premier Reader float to shader as our name. I think we'll complete this tomorrow, bro. I
Okay.
can't process anything
All
anymore.
right. No worries.
Alright, I'll end the stream.
All right. Is the stream end?